How to pay overdue invoice on booking.com. Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, in this video, we'll learn how to pay overdue invoices on booking.com. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to open any web browser and then go to admin.booking.com. Make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. Now, once logged in, click on the finance option that is between the reviews and bulk editing in the top of the screen. Tap on it. You may see a message indicating that there are no invoices for your account. However, if you have an overdue invoice, you will see the details and payments option available. When you click on Finance, you will find your bank details and the option to set up your bank information. Click on the Set up Bank Details to enable the direct debit payments to booking.com. Once you have entered the correct form with your details, click on Save and your invoice will be paid. So that's all for today's tutorial. This is how you can pay the overdue invoice on booking.com. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.